Hello, in this session we'll see another question on the property of coefficient of regression. So it says the equation of two regression lines are 10x minus 4y equal to 80 and 10y minus 9x equal to negative 40, and we have to find the mean values, the coefficient of regression byx and bxy, the correlation coefficient r, and the variance of x if the variance of y is given as 36. So for the two regression lines given, we have to find these four parameters. Now, starting with the first one, as we know that the mean of x and y is the regression point which lies on the intersection of the two regression lines, that means we can solve the given two equations to find the mean values. So the first line, which is 10x minus 4y equal to 80, and the second line, which is 10y minus 9x equal to negative 40, which can be written as minus 9x plus 10y equal to negative 40. So for this equation 1 and 2, we can solve this by any of the solution method of our linear equations, and let us try this with the Cramer's rule. Considering this as ax equal to b, that is 10, negative 4, negative 9, 10 times of xy equal to the constants, that is 80 and negative 40. So the del in this case, that is 10 minus 4 minus 9 and 10, this comes out to be equal to 64. Del 1, which is the column 1 replaced by the constants, that is 80, negative 40, negative 4 and 10, this will be equal to 640. Del 2, which will be obtained by replacing the column 2 with the constants, so this is 10 minus 9, 80 and negative 40, which is equal to 320. So from here we can say that x will be equal to del 1 over del, and that is 640 over 64 is equal to 10. Similarly, y will be equal to del 2 over del, and that will be equal to 320 over 64, which is equal to 5. So from here we have found x and y, which is the point of intersection of the two regression lines, and we know that these values are nothing but the mean of x and y. So since the point of intersection of two regression line given is given by x bar and y bar, that is the mean values, we can say that x mean will be 10 and y mean will be 5. So this is the first part of solution we are looking for. Now moving to the second part, which is about finding the regression coefficient y on x and x on y. Let us say that 10y minus 9x minus 40. Let us say that the equation 10y minus 9x equal to negative 40 be the regression equation of y on x. So in that case, we may rewrite this as y equal to 9x over 10 minus 40 over 10, and from here comparing this with the standard equation, that is y equal to byx times of x plus a, we may say that the regression coefficient of y on x, that is byx, will be equal to 9 over 10, which is simply 0.9. Similarly, considering the second equation, let us say that 10x minus 4y equal to 80 is be the regression equation of x on y, then we can say that this equation is actually 10x equal to 4y plus 80, or x equal to 4 over 10 times of y plus 80 over 10. And from here, x becomes 2 over 5 times of y plus 8. Now comparing this with the standard equation, x equal to bxy y plus a prime, we can say that bxy will be equal to 2 over 5. So this is the regression coefficient of x on y. So we were looking for these two values and we have found this. This is equal to 0.4. Therefore, we can say that byx is equal to 0.9 and bxy equal to 0.4, and that is the solution for the second part. Now coming to the third part, where we have to find the coefficient of correlation r between x and y. As we know that r square is given as bxy times of byx. This will be equal to 0.4 times of 0.9, which is equal to 0.36. So r square is equal to 0.36, and on square root we will see that r will be plus minus times of 0.36, and this becomes plus and minus 0.6. Now since byx and bxy are positive, then r should also be positive, and so we have to accept the value of r as 0.6. This is the third part of the question, and now coming to the fourth part, which is about the variance value. It says that the variance of y the variance of y is 36, so we may say that sigma y square is 36. Now picking any of the coefficient of correlation. Now picking any of the coefficient of regression, we can say that bxy equal to r times of sigma x over sigma y. So bxy, which we have already found to be 2 over 5, and r, which is 0.6, sigma x, which is we have to find, and sigma y will be equal to 6, and this is because since sigma y square is equal to 36, we get sigma y equal to simply 6. So with this condition, we may say that 2 over 5 times of 6 over 0.6 will be equal to sigma x, or this is going to be simply 4. So with standard deviation of x equal to 4, variance of x, which is sigma x square, will become 4 square, and that is 16. So the variance of x is 16 in this case. So this was the fourth part, and we have found all the parts, starting with the first one where we had to find the x mean and y mean, which is found by the intersection of the two regression lines. The second part was about the coefficient of regression byx and bxy. Third part was about the correlation coefficient, which is r equal to 0.6, and the fourth part, which is about the variance of x, which is 16 in this case. Thank you.